Ooh. Hey there, everyone. Happy April. It's April, Megan.
I can't believe it.
Oh, my goodness. And it's not April the 1st. It's Monday today. It's the 4th. We just couldn't get a report to you guys. This is our monthly sales stats report for the month of April. We deliver this to you all every month to let you know what's going on here in Victoria. But there is a third spot here in our Hollywood Squares setup, but it's empty right now. And we promised you last month that we would introduce you to somebody new to the Prime Real Estate team. And right now, we got a drum roll. There we go. Let's introduce you to, come on in, the mystery man. This is Daniel Ross, ladies and gentlemen. Daniel has joined us from the agency, previously at Newport Realty as well. You've got over 10 years experience in the business. How many years now?
I do. 14.
Oh my goodness.
Gone by quick.
It has. And, one of the, aside from the fact that he's an experienced known agent here in Greater Victoria, he's also in the construction industry as well, too. So it's going to be a great asset to have on the team as far as, helping our clients or helping us with that very, very complicated realm of the construction world. Right, Daniel?
Thank you, Tony. Yeah, I look forward to it a lot. It's going to be new for me to have so much support and such a great team around me, but I'm quite excited.
Amazing. Well, hey, listen, we always do our monthly sales stats report. This is your first one. Daniel, thanks for coming. Megan, how's it going? How are you finding things? These things are interesting right now, right?
It's really interesting. It is definitely, I'm finding very property to property. For example, today when I was driving, I viewed a property this weekend with some clients, and the listing agent actually called me asking if we were going to write. And I was like, no, we decided against. Like, we had kind of chatted with them, and I was like, so how's it going with offers? And he said, we got none. Yeah. And then the other place we were looking at had 17 offers on it. So it's very situational right now, I'm finding.
Oh my goodness. And that's the thing. So, for all of you guys watching, we're really, really seeing, for instance, in the Toronto market right now, where things have cooled. And it's not cooled like cold. It's just gone from supernova to white hot. But there's a lot of these delayed offers, scheduled offers when the date comes and no offers show up. And we are seeing cases where properties are being taken off the market and relisted at a higher price, because it's pretty clear that the seller had hoped that they were going to get multiple offers, bidding war, and get a bigger dollar, and they're not getting it. But how true it is, though, Megan, I know you're seeing it too, Daniel. It's situational. It really depends, because it's not true across the board, right? Because we're still seeing things with many offers. We're still seeing, there was something that sold like 300,000 over list price in the past.
Yeah, there was one we went out to in Langford, and it was listed at 1.19, and it ended up selling for 1.52. And there was only 4 offers on the property. So like, still a huge jump, but not a ton of offers.
Instead of 17 offers, right? And then there's another property in Saanich right now. It's been on the market for 47 days. House with a suite, has not found a buyer, and it's still there, right? At 1.3. So yeah, crazy time, right? It was easier when we knew. It was easier when it was like, you had a formula, you knew what was going on. Right now, it really requires market knowledge, understanding of what's going on, and that's why people need us, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's definitely, I'm also seeing people like listing agents actually listing houses what the value of the house should be, instead of way under listing price too, to get that sort of frenzy. And it's more just like, oh, this house is actually worth 1.4 and it's not listed at 950.
Yeah. Well, that's what we did with our recent North Oak Bay sale. We managed to secure a good sale, nice price for the seller, but it wasn't, that intentional underpricing thing. And the other thing too is we didn't overburden the tenants, because we didn't have 100 showings. It was just the people who were qualified to that price point, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hey, listen, I want to put on the screen though for everyone, as I always do, really quickly. I'm not going to go through all these details, because you can pause this, of course, and you can just have a look at the stats here we want to share with you. But this is what's going on out there in the marketplace right now. We ended up 16% higher than last month, yet 29% below last year as far as sales are concerned. And really, it's because of the fact that we had no inventory. Same story we've been talking about for months, right? We ended up the month with 1,063 active listings, which is super low. And I always demonstrate this. So we had 1,063 active listings. Look at all the other Marches that we had. Look, we had 4,100 in 2011, 4,200, 4,300. And it started sort of, getting into the sort of sub 2,000s with the busy marketplace, but 1,000 is still kind of low. We could use another 2,000 or 3,000 listings out there in order to balance things off, right? In fact, there would be more sales if there were more choices. If you guys are interested in knowing what's going on with prices, our house price index for the core region is up 27%. And for the Victoria Real Estate Board trading area, 30% from this time last year. So, things are moving. Our average price for single family detached home holding kind of steady. It was 1,426,000. It's been a 1,000,004 year so far, and it's unlikely to change anytime soon. So interesting time out there. We've got a lot of people that are looking, got a lot of people getting prepared to go to market. Just a reminder about the fact that we're a busy little spot here. And a lot of people are paying attention to what's happening here in Greater Victoria, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, that's amazing to me that the listings are still that low, because it seems like there's a ton coming on board. Photographers that I try and call are just booked solid.
Yeah.
So I'm surprised to see that the listings number is still that low.
Well, in many ways, it's consumption, right? Because the things that are coming in are moving. So, folks, if you're reading the news or hearing from other people, oh, the market is slowing down, we can't agree with that one. The numbers themselves, right, tell the story. Although it's interesting because we have been able to secure properties for people. Megan, the bully offer bully, again, successfully found a home for someone this weekend. So there are things, and you just secured another one just before we got on the line here today. So, anyone who says it's impossible to find properties, I think they ought to call Megan.
I agree with that.
Yes. Sure.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, you bet. Anyways, there's our sales stats report for the month of March. Everyone, thanks for watching. We'll be here for you this time next month. And, you got questions, you want to talk, real estate, anything. If we can help you, your friends, family, anyone talk about what's going on, help them with the process, just reach out to us. We're here for you guys. Megan, myself, and of course now, Daniel Ross, newest member of the Prime Real Estate team. Okay, guys, we'll see you this time next month.
Awesome. Thank you.
Bye.